Well, the system is complete. The AGM and the LiFo batteries combination here. So I'll give you a quick tour of the system and its completeness. So here we go. And we'll go inside here. I'll show you the controls. Back here where the bed is and the couch area here, we've got the switching from LiFo to AGM, and up here we have an extra switch for a 600 watt inverter I have in there, and then the DC to DC charger is on a switch, so you can either put that in line when the engine's running and for charging down the road, and then you can also switch to the AC chargers through the 5,000 watt inverter. So that's that little system there. And we'll go outside here. Okay, this is the outside installation. There's the one 300 amp hour LiFo battery, and there's the other one, and they're both in series for 24 volts. And back in here, you got to straighten up this wiring a little bit, is the 5,000 watt inverter converter, shore power, and that. And then there's a smaller charger there for 30 amps for the AGM batteries. And here we have our LiFo section, and there's the DC to DC 17 amp charger, and these are the two AC chargers down here. So yeah, those are in parallel. They can all charge at once, so that'll give you about 41 amps of charging. There's also a solar panel on top here, so that will increase it another 10 amps or so. So all in all, you get about 50 amps possible charging going into it there. So hopefully that'll work out, and we'll see as we run down the road and get some real world data on it and see how that works out. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching the series.